Good morning and welcome back to Gardening with Green. I am out here at my container garden, and will you look at that? My red Indian sweet corn has sprouted. I planted 8 seeds, and as you can see, all 8 germinated. This is my glass gem sweet corn, and I got 8 out of that also. And this is my early Bantam sweet corn. As you can see, only 6 have germinated. I'm gonna give it a couple more days and see if those 2 seeds germinate. If they don't, I'm gonna pop 2 in there, so we'll have 8 in there too. It rained for 2 days, and the plants seem to love the rain because they have grown to a pretty nice size. They on their 3rd set of leaves. All of them are on the 3rd set. So yeah, in about 90 days, I'm gonna be harvesting me some corn. Just wanted to give you guys a brief update and let you know how the process is going with my corn. Please feel free to like the video, comment in the comment section, and let me know what you're growing in your garden this year, or if you have any questions, or if you have any tips. It will be greatly appreciated. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It's free and it's informative. Thank you and have a good day.